In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. All you need to do is find an app called Files and click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue, hit Allow, and tap on this switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Then hit Browse at the bottom in the middle and tap on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!